Welcome to Chapter 1, Lesson 5. Use place value to round. Our essential question for the day is, how does place value help represent the value of numbers? So why is place value important? Before we get started, we're going to be talking about rounding today. So I have this little chant that'll help you remember which numbers round up and which numbers round down. 5 and up, push it up. 4 and below, sink it low. Say it with me. I know you're just at home, but actually say it. 5 and up, push it up. 4 and below, sink it low. I'm going to make you say it in class, so you might as well say it now. 5 and up, push it up. 4 and below, sink it low. Okay. Enough of that. Okay, when you estimate, you find an answer that is close to the exact answer. One way to estimate is to round by changing the value of a number so it is easier to work with. And it'll tell you what place value to round. The largest extreme sports competition, called X Games, is so popular that one year, 268,390 people attended. What is 268,390 rounded to the nearest 10,000th place? Okay, so they only care about the 10,000th place. That means every number before it should be 0. Okay, so we have 268,390. Okay, so when we round, they're asking us to look at the 10,000th place. So we have the ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s, 10,000s. So you're going to circle the number. Okay, this is the number. We're either going to sink it low, which means just saying it's 6, or we're going to push it up to 7. Okay, and then to determine, we look at the number to the right, which is an 8. 5 and up, push it up. 4 below, sink it low. So 8 is going to be pushed up. Okay, so it's a big number, so we're rounding up, which means we're choosing the 7 instead of the 6. So our new number is going to be 270,000. Okay, you keep the same amount of places. So there's still a 3 place value number here, 3 period, and 3 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you still need the exact same amount of digits. You just fill them in with zeros. They showed you using a number line. Okay, so they're showing you how you can pick between 260,000 or are you picking between 270,000? Well, they showed 262, 264,000, 266,000, 268,000. That's about where the number would fall. It's much closer to this number. So since 268,390 is closer to 270,000 than 260,000. 268,390 rounds to 270,000. You flip the page. A record was set when 569,069 people jumped up and down for 1 minute. Ooh, that's a lot. How many people set this record? Round 569,069 to the nearest 100,000 place. Okay, whenever you see a word problem that says about, you're going to estimate. And I promise you they're going to use this in all throughout the My Math book, so watch out. Okay, and they want it to the nearest 100,000 place. Okay, so circle the digit in the place to be rounded. 1,000, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is our guy. We're either going to sink him low to 5. He's going to stay at 5. We're going to push him up to 6. And it says, underline the digit to the right of the place value being rounded. So this one right here. This is the determining factor, the determining digit. 5 and up, push it up. So 6 is bigger, so we're going to be pushing up to 6. If the underlined digit is 4 or less, do not change the circled digit. If the underlined digit is 5 or greater, 5 and up, push it up, add 1 to the circled digit. So we're pushing up to 6. And it says replace all digits after this circled digit with zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So about 600,000 people set this record. Use a number line to check, okay? 569,069 is closer to what? It's between 500 and 600,000. So it's closer to 600,000 than it is to 500,000. Okay, today I'm going to draw a robot. It's a robot on wheels. All right. I look forward to seeing your robots in class. Have a great day.